Hi there, I'm Baby Unicorn. I live in a fluffy cloud castle, and I love to draw and sing with rainbow brushes every day. Are you ready for a magical art adventure endeavor? Do you know? Blue frosting makes cupcakes look super yummy, like the sky on a sunny day. And cherries are bright red, just like hearts full of love. When we draw a little sugar bunny cupcake, we'll use blue, red, and yellow, colors that dance together like best friends.
Okay, my sweet artist. Pick up your markers and let's start drawing our magical rabbit cupcake. First, we'll make the fluffy frosting, then a shiny cherry, and of course, the cutest sugar bunny hiding inside. Don't worry if it's wobbly. Wobbly cupcakes taste even better.
Hello, my friends, it's Baby Unicorn here in my castle in the clouds. The sky is so clear. Today we will draw with our hearts full of cheer. A cupcake with a bunny that we hold so dear. Pick up your crayons, your pencils, your pen. We'll start with a cupcake, the sweet golden end. The lines go around, soft curves we bring. Step by step together, come draw and sing. Draw and sing, let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start. Draw and sing, let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start. Now swirly swirl with frosting so blue. A cherry on top, it's shining for you. With hop hop lines, the bunny will peek. Sugar sweet smiles make the drawing unique. Use your yellow for the cake so bright. A golden cupcake glowing with light. Then add the details, soft waves that ring. The magic appears as we draw and sing. Draw and sing, let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start. Draw and sing, let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start. Now wiggle, wiggle the bunny's two ears. Round little eyes with no fears. Dot, dot nose and a smile so sweet. Our sugar bunny drawing is almost complete. Take your time, there's no need to race. Each little line finds its place. With soft warm clouds the sky will sing. Baby unicorns joy as we draw and stroke. let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start. Flick, flick lines for clouds so round. Flutter, flutter strokes where dreams are found. Bounce, bounce, brush in the sky so high. Colors like rainbows make magic fly. Shiny red cherry, so glossy and sweet. A little crown makes our cupcake complete. Soft little shading, a magical thing. Now it's alive as we draw and sing.
Wow! Look at your amazing cupcake drawing. It's so delicious. I want to nibble the paper. You did a fantastic job. See you soon, my little artists. Keep shining bright. And now, it's time to share these yummy cupcakes with my friends.
Draw and sing, let your colors play. Soft, gentle lines will brighten the day. Draw and sing with a joyful heart. Each little stroke is a magical start.